Now, the toothpaste and the toothbrush alone are actually very good na, right? But I would like to add to my presentation today the supplements that can actually support our oral health. Would you like to know? Okay, let's go. All right. So first, we have the vitamin C. Alam nyo na po yan. But let me share to you kung anong function niya sa ating oral health. Anong role niya, all right? Well, number one, our vitamin C has this very pleasant taste. Na yung mga batang napakahirap bigyan ng vitamins. You give this one, magiging keep out of reach of children. Why? Baka akala nila orange juice, so they tend to take it again and again. So just give them once a day, that's enough. And it also has an added color food in there. 5 sa yellow food, tsaka 2 sa red food. For those nutritionists, alam niyo po kung ano yun. But it's an add-on to this vitamin C na very essential and helpful, hindi lang para sa oral health, kundi sa buong katawan. Ang vitamin C po, tinutulungan niyang mag-synthesize ng yung ating katawan ng collagen. And collagen is needed for the tissues like the gums, the bones, you know, those connective tissues, yung mga related sa medical, But in our mouth, in simple term, very helpful siya sa ating gums. Who among you experience bleeding gums? Lagi-lagi na lang namamaga, mamaya nagsisingaw, those kind of things. Or, feeling nyo humahaba yung ngipin nyo. Yun pala, umiiksi yung gums nyo. Okay? You have gingivitis, and the worst case is periodontitis. It involves not just the gums, but including the bones as well. This vitamins is very good for healing, for repair, and for prevention of such diseases. Yung mga nagpapabunot sa clinic, napansin ko po, napakabilis mag-heal ng gums nila. If I incorporate the vitamin C to their post-operative instruction. So we add that up. Pati yung mga after cleaning, mas mabilis yung healing ng kanilang gums. It's very evident. Okay?